Hi, it's Dr. Jenny and Dr. Daniel at Spinal Corrective Center in Amherst, New Hampshire. And you're hearing me talk, it's Dr. Jenny, and you're going to see Dr. Daniel adjust Sarah, our patient. And what we wanted to do is we just wanted to show you what a very specific chiropractic adjustment looks like. You know, there's different ways to adjust, and there's a lot of fantastic techniques out there. One thing that we really sets us apart is the specificity of our adjustment. So typically patients will receive a full evaluation, including x-rays, where we actually measure what area of the spine is subluxated or out, so we can give a very specific, appropriate adjustment. It's different than just twisting and finding something to pop or snap. What we're really trying to do is find the areas that are most locked up, because when we help your body realign itself, it will start to loosen up, it'll start to be able to align itself better, and the adjustment has a longer, more lasting impact. So what you're watching here is Dr. Daniel doing some analysis. So basically we're doing different techniques. One of them is called Thompson Technique, where we actually look at the leg length discrepancy. What that means is one leg may appear to be shorter, and we can see where the contraction is coming from. So he just used the drop piece. You'll notice there's a clunk about to happen. That's called Thompson drop technique. And in lieu of a big popping, twisting motion, with the drop table actually allows the force to go deeper into the body, and it's more comfortable for the patient. So after that drop that he just did, you'll see that he's rechecking the legs and seeing if they go even again. So there's a way during the adjustment to get feedback to see if the adjustment took in the body and if the body responded. So now he's just doing some gentle stretching. He's probably trying to see if there's some nice movement in the rib cage. He's palpating or feeling the spine. He's determining where the spine is most locked. And you know, really day to day, this will change based on what the person's been doing, based on their patterns. So each adjustment for you could actually be quite different than the one before. And you'll see just a simple thrust put into the spine to release the area that's been locked. It can be very gentle. The patient's just instructed to take long, slow, deep breaths and try to relax during the adjustment. And the techniques can really be quite comfortable. Now you see he's just palpating the neck. He's determining where the spine is off in the neck. And oftentimes the patient might even say, oh, that's tender right there. They can feel the inflammation, even if maybe before the adjustment they didn't know they were sore or tight. Once the doctor finds the right spot, you can know. He's about to do a technique called toggle recoil, and it's a specialized technique to really align the upper neck. You'll see the table move, so it makes a noise, but it's really quite a comfortable technique that helps the nervous system be free and clear at the top of the spine. Pretty simple. So as you can see, the adjustment can be very specific. It doesn't take very long. It helps the patient be nice and balanced. And look, she's actually pretty happy. Look at that. Pretty awesome. Be well, everybody.